Hey guys, Tyler here, your Puzzle Master Insider. Today I'll be giving you an inside look at 3 brand new puzzles from German company Siebenstein Spiele. So here are 3 brand new puzzles from German company Siebenstein Spiele. They're all designed by Siebenstein Spiele founder Jürgen Reich, and they're all made out of laser cut wood. They are a variety of different levels here. I'll go through each one individually here, and then I'll show you at the end a solution for this one, PFEILE. And the other ones I won't have a solution for, but I'll show you how they work. So first up here is STABILE SEITENLAGE, or stable lateral position as it is in English. It's a German puzzle from Siebenstein Spiele. It's a level 9 on the Puzzle Master difficulty rating scale, and it is an anti-slide puzzle. So that means that when you turn it like this, the pieces shouldn't slide out when it's in its solved state. I think the unfortunate part about this puzzle is that it comes in its solved state. I think it'd be better if it didn't come solved already and you had to do it, but when you get it, you can just dump it out. It does have a few bolts here, so these black bolts are all solid pieces, and so the pieces all fit into there, and these come out. And this middle one, actually, when you have it in, it rotates. So you could, when you first get this, you could dump it and then just rotate that middle piece, and then it's all mixed up, and you got to solve it from the start. Each of the pieces are different colors here, as you'll notice too. They have something on the inside. I'm not sure what it is, but it doesn't feel like wood on the inside, but there is an overlay of some kind, giving the pieces all different colors and kind of a different look to each piece, which really makes it for a nice looking puzzle. It's got this plastic piece here too, and then underneath, if you actually flip the puzzle over, there's bolts here that you could take out if you wanted. I don't know why you would, but all in all, this is a great puzzle. It's designed by Siebenstein Spiele's founder Jürgen Reich, and is a really cool looking anti-slide puzzle. So next there's the PENTOMINOS from Siebenstein Spiele. It's a level 8 on the Puzzle Master difficulty rating scale, which runs from 5 to 10. And inside, when you get this puzzle, there's a insert here that tells you the different shapes you can make. So this is a tangram puzzle, so there's a whole bunch of different stuff you can do. There's 20 different shapes. So on the back here, there's some of the zoo things. You can make different animals on the back, and then inside there's a variety of different shapes you can do, things you have to make. It actually says, now the one thing to be aware of, it actually says inside here that you don't need these 2 pieces to do the solutions. So make sure when you're doing this that you don't use these 2 pieces. I assume these are just in here to kind of fill space and make sure that it's all filled out. But it comes with a whole wide variety of different shapes here. They're, like I said before, they're laser cut, so really awesome. It feels good. They are nicely made and really fit in well. It's a tight fitting puzzle. And so if you like tangrams, this is the puzzle for you. Really good, and lots of opportunity to do a whole bunch of different stuff. So unlike some of the other ones where there's one solution, this one has 20, or even if you wanted to make your own, there could be more solutions. So that's the PENTOMINOS from Siebenstein Spiele. Now last, and probably my favorite of these 3, is the PFEILE, or in English, arrows puzzle. It's also made out of laser cut wood. It's a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty rating scale, so not especially difficult, but one that I thought was really interesting. The idea, or the objective of this puzzle, is to make 4 arrows inside this frame with the shapes you have here. It's a packing puzzle. Again, like the other ones, it's designed by Jürgen Reich. And today I'll show you a solution to this one, and you'll see how it works. Next, I'll show you the solution. If you aren't interested in seeing this, then please stop the video here. Okay, so let's do the solution to this PFEILE puzzle. The solution itself, I wouldn't say is especially hard, But myself and Allan, the puzzle master, sat down and kind of worked it out here, and it was a lot of fun doing it. I enjoy these type of puzzles, and not that they're meant to be ones you sit down for hours and do, but it's something fun and a lot of fun, just a quick one to work out. And in the course of doing this, it was kind of neat. We were talking about ways that you could almost do a redesign on this type of puzzle, where you design, instead of having 4 little arrows, I mean, because the whole point is to have 4 arrows in here, but how neat would it be is if you could design this where you have 3 arrows and then that 4th one kind of sits in the one corner and is a big arrow, right? Something you wouldn't expect. And we were kind of working our way through that, whether it's 4 little arrows like that, or 3 little arrows and then 1 big arrow hidden in there somewhere. But yeah, just a great puzzle, something fairly simple, but well made, small, and pocket size, where you can take it anywhere you like. So that is the solution to the file from Siebenstein Spiele. All 3 of these puzzles from Siebenstein Spiele are available at puzzlemaster.ca, and you'll find links to each in the description below. That wraps up today's video. Make sure to subscribe to the Puzzle Master YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a very puzzling week.